This is a bit embarrassing.
Unstoppable me. Are you ready to see what a woman can do when she believes?
Hello, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Juliet Uzor and you are welcome back to the channel. Actually, I don't think it's as embarrassing as I think it is, because I'm sure lots of people go through the same issue, worn out jeans. This is my favorite pair of jeans and I've got a lot of wear out of it, and at this point I am ready to mend it because the inner thigh section has worn out. I will be sharing my top tips for making your your pair of jeans last a bit longer. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go.
Sisters who stand up and say, bring it on, 'cause I'm feeling oh so.
First things first, you will need some denim fabric that's similar to your jeans material. Luckily, I have this old scrap denim fabric. I just cut out a little piece of it and I will be using that for my patchwork kind of mending.
I will heal. Unstoppable me, the her and Hercules, but my power's within where you can't see. It's happening now. Get ready, 'cause this will be loud. I'm gonna take back my power and stand my ground. Didn't know when I started anything.
Also, you will need some thread that is as close as possible to your jeans fabric.
But I will fight, not lie and suffer. Knowing in time I will heal.
So mine is this blue thread that I think is the closest out of the set that I have here.
Now you're gonna see what a woman can do when she believes. I'm shattering glass. The ceiling is way beyond cracked.
You also want to make sure that you are working with denim needles. I have this denim needles that I got as part of a sponsorship that I have with Prim. Even though this video is not sponsored by Prim, I still do use Prim needles a lot in my sewing.
What is this and what are we now?
After changing the needle, you want to make sure that the machine is nice and ready to go back and forth, because you will be using that back and forth motion to create the reinforcement of the denim fabric that is beneath the worn out part of your jeans trousers.
What are we? What are we?
It does take a bit of going back and forth and it can be quite tiring, but when you get to the end you will see that the outer part of your jeans trousers is starting to look a bit more strong, firm and sturdy.
We got God, just rebels defying. So what are we right now? What are we? Oh,
When you are happy with it, trim any excess jeans on the inside.
oh, you tangle with me.
I didn't give mine a press here on camera, but a steam press is also needed to get those stitches set properly and ready for you to re-rock your jeans trousers. So now I have my jeans trousers. I can wear these pair of trousers for a good amount of time before it would get to its last legs, but it's my favorite. It still is my favorite because I find it very difficult finding the right pair of jeans for my body shape because I am quite curvy. So when I find the right pair of jeans, I stick to it as much as I can. Let me know in the comment section if you're like me. Also, in the comments section, do let us know if you have any other tips for giving a bit more life to your jeans trousers. But with that, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Happy Sunday and all the very best. Take care. Bye.